Dear veterinarian friends, welcome to YouTube channel, our channel Dr. Vet. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. We start now with a new very important viral disease, rabies. Very important. In part 1, we will study synonym, introduction or definition, etiology, epidemiology, and host of this important viral disease, rabies. Very important disease, rabies, have several synonyms. Important synonym is hydrophobia. This synonym is only for man. It is a Greek word. That is, hydrophobia means fear of water. Though there is thirst, but fear of water because of the spasms in the neck region. Hydrophobia is a terminology only for man. Other name, Jaltanka. It is a local name, Hindi name from the Jal, water, Jaltanka. Lysa is a green word and meaning is mad. Litta. It is a belief that the cause of this disease is a worm under the tongue, and so local name in some countries given Litta. Frequently, people say mad dog disease when the dog become excitable, furious, uncontrollable, violent activity. The dog looks like a mad, so it is named as mad dog disease. Introduction about the rabies. Rabies is always acute disease. It is an acute viral disease. It is not a chronic disease. It is caused by Lysa virus and it causes very rapid fatal encephalomyelitis. Death is a certain when rabies is infected, either animal or man. Death is sure. The viruses are neurotropic virus. Virus affects all warm-blooded animals, including man. So rabies occurs in all warm-blooded animals. And very important thing, it is transmitted through by bite of rabid animals. Remember the main route of transmission, bite of rabid animals to other animals or man. The rabies is characterized by alteration of behavior. There is change in behavior of the dog. The dog become very aggressive. There is excitability and irritability. The animal gets excited even on normal stimuli. Important thing, progressive ascending paralysis. Here no descending paralysis. Here the paralysis is ascending paralysis and sure death. Death is certain. Rabies is a zoonotic disease that occurs in man also, named as hydrophobia. The hydrophobia means there is extreme fear of water, and this is due to painful involuntary throat spasm due to rabies infection. So, due to painful involuntary throat spasm, the human being has a fear of water, and so name is given hydrophobia. Hydrophobia is a no name only in human beings. Etiology of rabies. It is caused by genus Lyssa virus. Belongs to family Rhabdoviridae. Rabies virus are RNA helical enveloped virus group. The shape of virus is either a filamentous or bell-shaped or a bullet-shaped. These viruses are highly neurotropic. They have a great affinity to nervous system, and so these viruses are found concentrated in central nervous system. Virus is mainly present in nervine tissue, saliva, and salivary gland mainly. The virus grows on chorioallantic membrane and produce a miliary pork lesion. This is the characteristic of this virus. Continuing the etiology, the strain of virus that has been adapted in duck eggs are named as Flurry strain or Keller strain. There is low egg passage, in short it is called as LEP virus, LEP strains, and that can be obtained by 40 to 50 passages serially in the duck eggs. The high egg passage or HEP strain can be obtained by high passages, means about 180 serial passages into the duck eggs. The duck eggs are very commonly used for the preparation of this vaccine. Continue here the etiology. The virus grouped into two groups, street virus and fixed virus. This is important from exam point of view. Street virus group and fixed virus group. The street virus is derived from naturally occurring cases, in dog, fox. Street virus is derived from naturally occurring cases, while the fixed virus strain is adopted by serial intracranial passage, frequent intracranial passage in rabbit in laboratory. Street virus, naturally occurring cases, fixed virus. The virus is fixed by serial intracranial passage in rabbit in laboratory. And this fixed virus is used for vaccine production. Coming to the epidemiology part, only interesting part we touch here, that is important for the field aspect. Rabies occurs in most countries of the world. Some countries has eradicated this virus and disease. Japan, UK, New Zealand, Antarctica, Australia, Hawaii Islands and Switzerland. These countries has eradicated rabies disease. But in India, the incidence is very high and endemic. Virus is heat susceptible. This is important. It is inactivated by sunlight and drying in air. So virus generally can't survive for a long time outside the animal body because it is destroyed by sunlight. Important thing for a clinician is that virus is inactivated by 40 to 70% alcohol, quaternary ammonium compounds, tincture iodine, carbolic acid, and any lipid solvent. This is important for the clinician. They can use as a disinfectant. When wound is there, they can apply 40 to 70% alcohol, quaternary ammonium compound, tincture of iodine or carbolic acid or any lipid solvent to dress the wound to minimize or to kill the population of virus. Continuation of the epidemiology. Virus is very resistant to autolysis and putrefaction. So if the tissues are autolyzed or putrefied, clinician has to take care in the laboratory. When such autolysis or putrefaction material is eaten by a dog or a fox, they may get virus. They may get the disease. The virus persists for months in infected nervous tissue in 50% glycerol. Again, this is important. For sending the material, the virus remain alive in nervous tissue in 50% glycerol. So this is a good medium, a transport medium to send the material to the laboratory. The virus survive at 4 degrees centigrade for weeks and it can be preserved at minus 70 degrees centigrade or by lyophilization. Continue here the epidemiology part. This part is important for the examination. There are two epidemiological types of rabies. There are two epidemiological types of rabies asked in the examination. One is the urban type and second is the sylvatic type. When the rabies is transmitted through dog, it is called as urban bite. When the rabies is transmitted through wildlife, either fox, jackal, mongoose or vampire bat, it is called as a sylvatic type. Urban type means transmitted by dog. Sylvatic type means transmitted by wildlife. This is important from examination point of view. In this presentation, we describe the type of hosts. All warm-blooded animals are susceptible to rabies. All ages of animals are equally susceptible. There is no age discretion, age bar here. But the susceptibility varies with different species of animals. With different species, there is variable in susceptibility. The extremely susceptible to rabies hosts are dog, fox, wolf, cat, coyotes, and jackal. These are extremely susceptible. The highly susceptible hosts are guinea pig, hamster, bat, mongoose. In Hindi, we call it as a nevla, mice, rabbit, and skunk. These are highly susceptible. And this laboratory animal we can use for the experiment. Then less susceptible, moderately susceptible are cattle, sheep, goat, horse, and human are moderately susceptible to rabies. And the resistance are poultry and opossum, means birds and opossum. The cattle and equines are dead and host. That means cattle and equines generally do not transmit the disease because they don't bite the other animal when they become mad or when they become rabid. So they are called as a dead and host. Friends, rabies is a very important disease. It causes rapid, fatal encephalomyelitis. Death is sure. There is no treatment. Requested to share this information to veterinarians and veterinary students. Requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.